What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, still looking very, very good indeed, just like VeChain, which is forming up very similarly. We had a massive run up for it, and then this huge extended consolidating coiling formation that we have seen on the charts here. You can see it quite clearly, this huge run up and then followed by this massive coiling formation, as we said, this big pennant that we have been seeing for a long time here, ever since, what was this, the 19th of May, when we had that big crash, obviously, the descending wedge that we saw for a lot of cryptos, the overextension for Polygon. We get the nice pickup. We have the ABC correction and the W double bottom that we saw in September. Time and time again, we have seen this, and a lot of cryptos have been forming up this way, particularly those larger altcoins, which did have a huge run up in the earlier parts of the run, but have yet to reach their all-time highs again. You can see here Polygon has been coiling up for a long time, and then we finally did get a pickup off the bottom. We come up to the 618. We coil in and around that area for a while. We form another little pennant here. We run all the way up, basically making that macro higher high, higher low, higher high. Looking very good here in terms of, you know, heading up the stairs right now. And you can see here we came up to that level at around the 222 area, which was a very key level in our opinion. We'll actually draw this in because this is a good level to be looking at. That 222 level, you can see pretty much bang on that previous swing high before the all-time high. You can see there. And we have it recently since then basically been, you know, you'd say retracing. We did have a bit of a coiling motion like this, you would say, but obviously we have lost support with the market looking a bit bearish today. So we've rolled over looking for our previous level of support, and where did we find it? On the previous swing low here of this, you know, recent little dip that we had like this, or you could say it's the previous swing high that we did reach at around 180 here before September started to have that ABC correction. So you can see here we've come down, retested that previous support, which is super bullish to see. Looking as though we may, you know, potentially start ranging here for a little while if Bitcoin is basically looking a bit bearish and dragging the market down. You can see here quite clearly what's been going on. Basically just been, you know, bouncing around in between these two levels here. And for now, it looks as though this support here at around 180 is holding very nicely for Polygon, which is really good to see. Obviously, it's come up and made a really nice local high. And now, you know, potentially we've got a little bit of something like this where we may be forced with a descending triangle, where basically we will force the, you know, the breakdown back towards the 618. But for now, we'd say things looking okay on the daily time frame. And to be honest, it's only going to take one Bitcoin pump for this to reverse right out of where it is right now. The only real reason that it is where it is right now is because of Bitcoin rolling over today, which is causing Polygon and basically every other crypto to have a bit of a correction as well, which is totally fine because we are, you know, expecting corrections in a bull market. Things don't just go up every single day. But as you can see, you know, Polygon looking really good from what we can tell. Cleanly broken out of this area now. Not really back tested the pennant though. You know, so if we do break down, we could potentially come back down here to around the 618 at 150-ish and back test the pennant before continuation, doing something like this, a little bit of a back test and then a full launch, which, you know, wouldn't be, you know, altogether unwarranted or unwanted, because really we do need to see ourselves retesting support thoroughly, don't we? So we did retest it somewhat here, but only for one day and not that thoroughly. So it remains to be seen what will happen, but overall we'd say Polygon looking very bullish right now. So if we roll over from here, we obviously expect that 180 level to hold along with the 20 moving average there. But if we do roll over, we do have this swing high area in and around the area of around 165 here, which would coincide with the 55 moving average as well, coming down for a bit of a back test like this before a bounce. But overall, I mean, we haven't really retested the EMAs at all yet, have we? So it would be nice to see ourselves coming down, retesting a bit more support before the bounce. But obviously, if we do run up again, we're targeting that 222 area and then upwards of the all-time high as well at 270. before coming up towards our price targets higher up in our Fibonacci, that $5 to $10 area, which we've been talking about a lot here, basically coming up from around that 141 upwards to around halfway up the 227 extension there from $5 to $10. We do think Polygon very likely to reach these levels, and then we do have that 227 extension at $17, which would obviously be a massive extension as well. But considering how good Polygon is, and the more adoption that it does get, the more likely that it is going to get more and more of a pump. That's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.